This video will be about visual cues, which are important for providing the user with a visual indication that some action is being performed but has not yet completed. Now, we touched on this in the data structure section, but as a refresher, let's take a look at this example action. Here, the action represents an update to a post. And in the payload, we can see that the state is set to resolved, most likely meaning the server just completed our request to create or update this post. The string in the state field is called a payload state in Lore, and the additional possibilities are shown over on the right. States for creating, deleting, fetching, and showing various errors. To demonstrate how to use these states, we're going to jump over to a component. So here we have a component that takes a single post, and what we want to do is render a spinner if we're currently fetching the post to let the user know that we've received their request and are processing it, or to display the post once the request comes back. In both cases, we simply compare the post's state to the desired payload state and change what we render accordingly. Another possibility would be to fade an element that we were updating in order to notify the user that something was happening with it. To review, providing visual cues to users is important because applications are conversations and users only know what you show or tell them. The core challenge is supplying components with unambiguous and comprehensively descriptive data, and the approach that Lore follows is to have action creators set a state property on all payloads that are dispatched so that components can simply look at the state and know exactly what the data means and what they should do with it.